Rice Ball by Nagai Kafu. On the night of the Tokyo air raid, Sato desperately fled through the fire and finally realized he had survived near Kasai Bridge. Having been separated from his wife and child while fleeing, Sato kept searching for their voices in the crowd. Exhausted, Sato meets a young woman named Chiyoko with a child by the levee and begins talking with her. Both had lost their families, and as they shared rice balls from a relief kitchen, they spoke about where they planned to go. Sato takes shelter at an acquaintance's home in Ichikawa and tries to rebuild his life by helping with bamboo crafts and peddling goods. Sometime later, Sato unexpectedly reunites with Chiyoko at Asakusabashi Station, and they begin selling goods together. As they once again share rice balls, they talk about their hardships and lost families, deepening their bond. Sato proposes that they live together, and Chiyoko begins to look forward, overcoming her painful past. One night, while they are running an Odin stall near Ichikawa Station, Chiyoko's former husband suddenly appears. But the former husband never returns, and as Chiyoko becomes pregnant with Sato's child, they begin a new life together.
Rice Ball is a moving short story that depicts how two strangers, amid the devastation of the Tokyo air raid, help each other and gradually form a new bond. Sato and Chiyoko, both having lost their families, meet by chance and share rice balls from a relief kitchen, a small act that marks the beginning of a relationship that grows into a life together. Even after facing emotional turmoil from the return of Chiyoko's former husband and her pregnancy, the two commit to moving forward. Through this work, Nagai Kafu portrays not only the sorrow and confusion caused by war, but also the kindness and resilience humans can show. The symbolic image of sand-filled rice balls poignantly reflects both post-war scarcity and the importance of human connection.